Traditional iPhone charger. We're gonna charge 2 iPhones. We are at a whopping 47. What? I've never in my life owned a fast charger, but I saw this one and I wanted to check it out. You see here, we got 2 slots for your USB Type-C. This is for your newer devices or maybe a laptop or something like that. And down here, we had a Type-A port for your usual iPhones and other devices like that. This thing is marketed as a fast charger, but exactly how fast is it? Today, I'm gonna be pitting it up against a traditional iPhone charger. We're gonna charge 2 iPhones. This is a 10 on the left, and it is at 27%. And on the right, we have an iPhone 13, and it is at 16%. So 27%, 16%. We're gonna charge them for 10 minutes and see the difference. And just to make it interesting, I'm gonna put the fast charger at a disadvantage. We're gonna plug the fast charger into the older iPhone because the battery is older. And we're gonna charge the newer iPhone with the newer battery with the traditional iPhone block. So let's plug them in. We are at a whopping 47. What? How? 47%. It was at what, 27? Now we're at 47. What is the 13 at? This one's at 23%. Wow. So honestly, what else is there to say? This is a great product. Definitely a fast charger. So if you want to charge your devices faster, this is the charger for you. We throw this away. This is, hold on. This right here. This right here. Let me show y'all what to do with that. Get this charger right now.